What the man will lie? Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. Hey, Deh Deh Blacks! Sure. Somebody say about a weevil. Say about a weevil. Hey, Deh Deh, come sing off them people here, man. Because when you sing a Europe, it's a boss in a deal. Get a bit like Jamaica. Reggae Tupac. Take it away.
Yeah. Reggae Tupac. You know, easy album. Well, can't say that. Alright. So, I make man sing out them vice box in the place. See? Go on now. Yes. Alright.
We'll share the same room. Oh, Jah provide the bread. Is this love? Is this love? Love is this love that I'm feeling. Is this love? Is this love? Love is this love that I'm feeling. I'll put it shocking on. I'll tell you. I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together. We'll have a roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter. Singing bed, we'll share the same room. Oh, Jah provide the bread. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Boy. Wanna know now. I've got to know now. I'm willing and able. So I throw my cards on the table. See ya. Next drop. We are going to do it and get it out of the way, yeah? Answer me, oh my love, just what sin have I been guilty of? Tell me how I came to lose your love. Please answer me, sweetheart. You were mine yesterday. I believe that love was here to stay. Won't you tell me where I've gone astray? Please answer me, my love. If you're happier without me, I'll try not to care. But if you still think about me, please listen to my prayer. You must know I've been true.
The crowd around us, so them enough for them a ball. Yo, pull up.
No, man. Yo, enough song.
No, pull up.
Oh, no, go on, someone.
Because you have to know, say.
Go on, get it out of the way.
No, get what? Mr. Sweet Boy said can't come out the way. Sing away.
With the great Nan King Cole, and them song I will grow up on, Mama Jai, Fred Locks. Answer me, oh my love, just what sin have I been guilty of? Tell me how I came to lose your love. Please answer me, sweetheart. You were mine yesterday. I believe that love was here to stay. Won't you tell me where I've gone astray? Please answer me, my love. If you're happier without me, I'll try not to care. But if you still think about me, please listen to my prayer. You must know I've been true. Won't you say that we can start anew? In my sorrow now I turn to you. Please answer me, my love. Next track. Great tune and boys with great gin, you know? Turn it up a little more. Give me some flavor in the mic there. Yes, Mr. Choker, see? Flavor it up. Curly locks. Now that I'm a dreadlocks, your daddy say you shouldn't play with me, but it's alright. Curly locks. Now that I'm a dreadlocks, your daddy say you shouldn't play with me. The sun is shining, the breeze it's blowing too, and all the love inside, it's just there for you, it's true. Curly locks, two roads before you. Which one will be your choice? I really wanna know now. Curly locks, your father eat up pork chops, and he don't want you dealing with me. He's a rummy, he is a walking dead. I am a living man who's got lots of plans, it's true. Curly locks, two roads before you. Which one will be your joy? I really wanna know now. Curly locks, your father eat the pork chops, and he don't want you dealing with me. Look here. Thank you for the letter. It make me feel better. Dee-da-do, that's the way it's gotta go now. I did that tune out by tonight. Called Africa, far, far away. Ooh, there's a place called Africa, many miles away. Mama says that's where I'm from, and I know she can't be wrong. Take me back to Africa, Mama, how did I get her? She said, once upon a time, my son, they stole us all the sheep. We had to work and slave each day. The boss, he did not pay. Now a brighter sun is dawn for us, and they can't stop us. slow. For you and I, she bowed her head and cried. Oh, mama, please don't you cry. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Every time I look in her face, and I see every key smile, then I show you know you are a greater child. So I see her money from afar, but it's just she really don't know that the man you're talking to is a greater man. It loves me. Yes, girl. Yes. So I see her for a while, and then I look into her eyes. Then I show you know you are really in mine. So then I see her daddy from afar, but it's too easy to know that the man you're talking to is a greater man. That loves me. Yes, yeah. That loves me. Deliver me, deliver me, deliver me from my enemy. Give me some reverb now. Jehovah, Jehovah, deliver me, deliver me, deliver me from my enemy who make me strong, make me strong, make me strong. So I can live alone, so I can live alone to see my enemy bowing down before me, begging you, begging you, begging you to have mercy. Now command me to love my enemy, and everything that curse me, to put unto those that hate me, and bless them that do me wrong. Though they do other things against me, though some of them a try to hurt me, though they even do me wrong, but Jah promise to protect me. Jah is I and I light and salvation. Whom shall I fear? Jah is the keeper of my heart. Of whom shall I be afraid? And I lift up mine eyes unto the hill, from whence cometh I aid. My help cometh from the God, over in the mountain of Zion. Deliver me, from my enemy. Next music. Yeah, we love singing on. It's not every day we're gonna be the same way. There must be a change somehow. There are bad times and good times too. So have a little faith in what you do, 'cause you don't the same way. There must be a change somehow. There are bad times and the good times too. So have a little faith in what you do, 'cause you don't seem to realize the things you gotta face in life. Yeah. Today you're up, tomorrow you're down. So thank God that you're still around town. Ooh. Me and Dennis know the central branch as youth man, you know. Yeah. And go I wake up in the morning with my head down in my eyes, and she says right. And then I stumble to the breakfast table while the kids are going off to school. Goodbye. She reaches out and takes my hand, squeezes it and says, how you feeling, hon? And then I look across her smiling lips that warms my heart, 'cause she's my morning sun. And if that's not loving me, then all I've got to say, yes. Oh, God didn't make little green apples and eat donkey in Indianapolis in the summertime. Oh, yeah. There's no such thing as Dr. Seuss, Disneyland, and Mother Goose said no nursery rhyme. Jaja didn't make little green apples and we don't drink in Indianapolis in the summertime. Oh, yeah. And when the Marcia is feeling low, I think about her face and clothes and and those you. I'll never sing another song about leaving. Love them song, yes, man. And those books of poetry, they used to leave me cold. Their words were much too bold for me to understand. But now you read them to me by the fireside. They warm me deep inside, and I hold your hand. And all I wanna do is dream about you and give your days the sunshine you give mine. With you, loving you is easier than breathing. Honey, with you, I'll never sing another song about leaving. Let me sing, yeah. superhero, you know what I'm telling you.
Moon River, wider than a mile. Uncle, I'll sing you style one day. Dreammaker, you old heartbreaker. Wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same rainbows and waiting round the bend. My huckleberry friend, River, and me. Yo. Can't believe you play that. You know I'm gonna rehearse them song. Oh, sir, a wedding song. Me and Mrs. Jones. A wedding song them there. Hey, all you little birds there, you see you? Big tune there now, I know. Remember, the first night we heard this, we played about 12 times. John Moore, New York. For real, man. This come out about what, 75. In Fredlocks, 76, yeah. New York City. Big music. Big part. Mrs. Jones, we got a thing going on. We both know that it's wrong, but it's much too strong to let it go now. Every day at the same cafe, 6:30, and no one knows she'll be there, holding a hand, making all kind of plans, while the jukebox plays our favorite song. Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Jones, we got a thing going on. We both know that it's wrong, but it's much too strong to let it go now. When it's time for us to believe, it hurts so much inside. Now she'll go her way and I'll go mine. Tomorrow we'll meet, same place, same time. I that. Give thanks, Rastafari. Yeah.